Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, the God Gamer himself, Harriet, and today we are taking a look at the latest BMX movie, P-Hit, uh, also known as Star Dancer, the Pambawi version. You all know Star Dancer. You all remember how that is. Star Dancer was a movie in 2023 starring Rose Van Jingle and Denise Esteban. And now, we have, sino nandito? Rose Van Jingle and, wala si Rose Van Jingle, we have Denise Esteban, Angeline Aril, yung interviewer sa Wow Mani, at si Christy Imperial, who technically who technically substitute for the Rose Van Jingle na role. Ayun, role Van Jingle. So yeah, if you like this review of P-Hit, I want you to subscribe to the channel. We just reached 12,000 subscribers on this channel itself. Thank you all for your support. Like this video, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. And yes, this is P-Hit. Bakit nga ba P-Hit? P-Hit is turn the ship, turn the thing around. Diba? Yun yung kanta. P-Hit. It's like a screw. This is pretty much a simple movie. And the pacing is really, really good. Like, I just had this movie play on the background. And the movie just flows through smoothly. Kumbaga. And when I mean smoothly, you would not notice the passage of time na nangyayari dito sa pelikula na to. It's just, I think it's more of the simple storytelling na binigyan ng buhay, ng portrayal ni Denise Esteban, Victor Relosa, Angeline Aril at ni Christy Imperial. So dito umiikot yung ating mga bida sa pelikula na to, sa buhay nila. And ang dating sa execution nga, di mo to, nakaisang oras ka na pala sa pelikula to. And I think that's, when time flows by smoothly, I think that is good storytelling. Hindi mo napapansin na hindi ka nababagot sa tagal ng kwento. Okay? And that's something that yung Honkai Star Rail, the game that I used to play a lot, should learn. It's all about storytelling. It's all about good storytelling. And I say this movie has some, even though simple, I think it's good storytelling execution. Okay, we ventured to the life of ang pangalan nito, Esta, and her husband Albi, played by Christy Imperial and Victor Relosa respectively. Okay, so si Esta meron siyang desire. Gusto niya maging pole dancer. Pero itong si Alfie, ayaw niya maging pole dancer. Si Esta, may flirt na best friend, si Claire. Claire Obscure, played by Angeline Aril. So, may nag-recruit sa kanya, si Denise Esteban, playing the role of Athena, at gusto niya maging estudyante, itong si Christy Imperial, si Esta. And secret, dahil ayaw, tumutulig sa itong si Esta, sa itong asawa ni Esta na si Alpi, sa pagpo-pole dancing. Ano nangyari, tinago niya ang pag-enroll sa pole dancing school ni Athena. So, she did enroll but she is hiding those secrets from her husband. It turns out yung husband niya na si Victor Relosa, si Alpi, medyo may control or tightens the grip towards Esta, at Esta is beginning to believe in herself that that she has no more control into this relationship. Okay? And once the weeks go by, the days go by, nagkakadevelopan itong si Esta sa si Athena na habang tinatago yung sikreto kay Albi. Okay? At kumbaga, nawawala yung pagiging please note na mag-asawa si Esta saka si Alpi, and nawawala yung pagmamahalan nila sa isa't isa sa puntong ito. Okay. And there is a scene na I think this is the best mature scene dito sa pelikula. When it comes to Alfie, uh, tinokhang niya, kinangkang niya si Claire. Habang lasing siya dahil sa pangungulila sa kanyang asawa. Habang yung kanyang asawa na si Esta, which by the way, Alfie has like total control at ito lang yung parang point of freedom ni Esta na ito yung parang chance ni Esta na makalasap ng totoong freedom sa kanyang sarili, sa kanyang pagmamahal, and she can do pole dancing and nakikipagtalik na dito kay Athena. Okay? And I think this is one of Denise Esteban's best performances. We usually criticize Denise for being too plain, for being too nonchalant, but this one is top of the moment here ni Denise. And it took her like ilang years, okay? And I believe this movie is better than Star Dancer, which is the same tema ng ano. It's the same team. Actually, sa Star Dancer, si Denise yung start-up, tapos nakita siya ni Aaron Villaflor, tapos, ano yun? Nakita siya ni Aaron Villaflor, and si Rose yung veterana. And now, Denise is the one teaching Christy the ropes. And nagtalik sila. Ayun, nagka-developan sila. Okay. When it comes to what you call this execution of the mature scene, I think the parallelism ng pagtatawid ni Denise sa ni Christy at saka ni Victor sa ni Angeline yung icing dito. Nalaman ni Victor dahil nagsumbong si Angeline dahil pinakita ni Angeline yung video niya na nagpa-pole dance itong si Christy Imperial. Kinumprontan ni Victor itong si Denise. Parang kung ano-ano masasakit na salita binitaw ni Victor laban kay Denise. To the point na sinabi niya, ito ba yung ginagawa mo sa mga estudyante mo, nakikipagtalik ka? And yeah, it's nagsampalan sila. I thought it's gonna end up on a threesome, pero buti hindi nila ginawa yun. Kasi parang makakasira sa sa forma, sa eksena pag nag-threesome sila bigla. And sa bandang huli, ang nag-end up na couple, nasira ata yung friendship ni Angeline sa ni Christy. At si Christy at si Denise yung nagkatuluyan. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Nakita natin yung isang montage na nagpo-pole dancing ito si Christy habang siya ay nagsasagawa ng monologue. And as such, and that's how this movie ends. Christy dancing, realizing she has now the freedom that she rightfully deserves. Okay, so what are we going to give the rating for P-Hit? Is this peak or is this weak? For me, P-Hit is a peak. It's not weak, and I think it's one of more the respectable movies na pinut out ni BMX in this year. Okay, so next week we have Kalakal. This is Dugyot Porn. This is Dugyot Sex. Dugyot Bold. Starring Alea Raimundo. Tingnan natin kung ano. It's directed by Roman Perez, so at least I'm pretty sure medyo may budget ito kasi si Roman yung nag-direct. Pero tingnan natin. This is your boy, the God Gamer himself. Thank you for the 12,000 subscribers. Goodbye and good night. Bye!